Ever wondered what truly separates a good customer experience from a great one? It's not just about a friendly voice or a quick answer. It's about seamless communication, proactive problem solving, and making every customer feel heard and valued. In today's fast-paced world, where customers expect instant gratification and personalized service, businesses need powerful tools to deliver. That's where a platform like RingCentral comes in, transforming how customer support operates. Think about it. Before the advent of integrated communication platforms, customer support was often a fragmented mess. A customer might call, then email, then try live chat, and each interaction felt like starting from scratch. Information was siloed, agents were overwhelmed, and the customer was left frustrated. This inefficiency directly impacted customer satisfaction, loyalty, and ultimately, a company's bottom line. The challenge was clear. How do you bring all these communication channels together, empower your agents, and create a truly unified customer experience? The solution wasn't just about adding more channels. It was about integrating them intelligently. It was about creating a single pane of glass for agents, where they could see a customer's entire interaction history, regardless of how they reached out. It was about routing calls and messages to the right agent, at the right time with all the necessary context. And it was about providing the tools for agents to collaborate internally, ensuring complex issues could be resolved swiftly and efficiently. This is the fundamental shift that platforms like RingCentral have brought to customer support. They're not just phone systems. They're comprehensive communication hubs designed to elevate every customer interaction. So, how does RingCentral specifically empower customer support teams to achieve this level of excellence? Let's break it down, looking at the key features and functionalities that make it an indispensable tool. First, unified communications. Imagine a customer calls your support line. With RingCentral, that call isn't just a voice interaction. It's instantly integrated with their previous emails, chat messages, and even past purchases. The agent immediately sees a complete customer profile, allowing them to jump into the conversation with context and personalize their approach. This eliminates the frustrating need for customers to repeat themselves, saving both parties time and fostering a sense of understanding. Whether it's a phone call, a text message, a video conference, or an email, all these touchpoints are unified within the platform. This means an agent can seamlessly transition from a phone call to a video chat to visually guide a customer through a solution, all within the same interface. Next, intelligent call routing and queue management. No customer likes being stuck in an endless phone tree or waiting on hold indefinitely. RingCentral's advanced routing capabilities ensure calls are directed to the most appropriate agent based on factors like agent skill set, customer history, or even the time of day. This means less bouncing around for the customer and faster resolution times. Furthermore, sophisticated queue management features allow businesses to manage high call volumes efficiently, providing customers with estimated wait times and even offering callback options, transforming a potentially negative waiting experience into a more positive one. This proactive approach significantly reduces abandonment rates and improves overall customer satisfaction. Then there's CRM integration. This is where the magic truly happens. RingCentral integrates seamlessly with popular CRM, customer relationship management systems. What does this mean in practice? When a customer calls, their CRM record automatically pops up on the agent screen, displaying their name, contact information, purchase history, and any past support interactions. This instant access to crucial customer data allows agents to provide highly personalized and efficient support, making the customer feel valued and understood. It's the difference between a generic, "How can I help you?" and a contextualized, "I see you recently inquired about product X. How can I assist you with that today?" Beyond the customer-facing aspects, RingCentral also empowers internal collaboration. Team messaging and video conferencing allow agents to quickly consult with colleagues or supervisors on complex issues, without putting the customer on hold for extended periods. Imagine an agent encountering an obscure technical problem. Instead of transferring the call or asking the customer to wait, they can quickly message a subject matter expert within their team, get the answer, and resolve the issue directly. This internal efficiency directly translates to a smoother, faster, and more effective customer experience. It also fosters a culture of knowledge sharing and continuous learning within the support team. Furthermore, analytics and reporting provide invaluable insights. RingCentral generates comprehensive reports on call volume, agent performance, resolution times, and customer satisfaction. This data is crucial for identifying trends, optimizing staffing levels, and pinpointing areas for improvement. Businesses can track key performance indicators, KPIs, and make data-driven decisions to continually enhance their customer support operations. For example, if reports show a consistent bottleneck in a particular support queue, management can reallocate resources or provide additional training to address the issue proactively. This continuous feedback loop is essential for evolving and refining the customer support experience. Finally, flexibility and scalability are paramount. In today's dynamic business environment, customer support needs to be adaptable. RingCentral's cloud-based platform allows businesses to scale their support operations up or down as needed, whether it's adding new agents during peak seasons or expanding into new geographical regions. Agents can work remotely, ensuring business continuity and flexibility, while still maintaining access to all the tools and resources they need to deliver exceptional service. This adaptability is vital for businesses to respond effectively to changing customer demands and market conditions. In essence, RingCentral transforms customer support from a reactive cost center into a proactive, value-generating engine. By unifying communications, intelligent routing, integrating with CRMs, fostering internal collaboration, providing robust analytics, and offering unparalleled flexibility, it empowers businesses to deliver a truly exceptional customer experience. This translates to higher customer satisfaction, increased loyalty, and ultimately, sustainable business growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.